Hello, hi all. This is Subramaniam here. Today I'll be talking about how to organize your AWS account and policies. Actually, in my previous session, I already spoke about how to create an organization and how to add accounts into that organization. Okay. In continuation that, we will see like how that added accounts can be organized. This is my AWS console. I have already logged in. Click on this and go to my organization. So you can see like these are the different two accounts that I have in my organization. So this is stored actually. This is the management account that shows. This is the primary account. So these are all. This is my secondary account that it indicates. And you can see the different tabs like accounts, organize accounts, policies, like this. Now you can also see this settings button. You can go to the settings and then you can see the details about your organization. This is your organizational ID. This is unique and management account name is this one, and the primary management account email ID is this is the one, and future set. So you can explore on this. So you can delete this organization at any point of time. So then you can also see the trusted access for the AWS services. So you can enable the AWS services for your AWS accounts. So there are different AWS services and their status you can see here. And you can also see the enable access button here. You can click on those buttons to enable the different AWS services for these accounts. So these AWS services are like tag policies, AWS artifacts, AWS backup, AWS cloud formation, stack sets, AWS cloud trial, AWS compute optimizer, AWS config, AWS delivery service, AWS firewall manager, AWS license manager, AWS resource access manager, that is RAM, AWS service catalog, and AWS SSO, that is single sign-on, and AWS system manager. But by default, this AWS SSO will be enabled for all your AWS accounts. Others are by default they are disabled actually. You can enable any of these AWS services so that you'll be able to access other account. You'll be able to access all other accounts with these privileges. Now we'll go back to my account section. You can see my these two are the accounts which are all directly as soon as I add an account, they will be directly added into the root actually. Then you have to organize those accounts. These right now these two are under root accounts. Then click on organize accounts. Here you can see the organizational units. Now I have created two organizational units. Those are all test org and test org 1. So you can see here, this is the tree, this is the root is the upper one. Under that you can see the test org and test org 1. You can create a new organizational unit. Let me name as Subbu org. Subbu org unit, something like that. And tags are optional, and you can click on create organizational unit. Now you can see like my organizational unit has been created. Now go back to the root, click on the root. Under the root, you have two accounts. This is my manager account, service manager account. So click on these two accounts, select these two and move these accounts to Subbu org unit. This is an organizational unit and move. So now you can click. Now you cannot see this those two accounts under my root. Those two has been moved to Subbu org unit. Let me click on this and check. So you can see like there are two accounts under this root account. So that's all from me now. So that's what I thought of showing these organizational accounts and how that can be created. That's all from me now. Thank you all. Bye.